I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. While I've got the torches and solder out to do another job, I'm going to fix up something that's been sitting here for a while that needs work. This oil can. The spout got knocked inside the can. Now it's just soft soldered together. All it is a nice solid fit. They put a taper on the spout and it goes in and fills the end of the taper on the cap. Makes it work. I need to clean that up so that I can get a good solder bond on there. And it's got paint and dirt and oil on it. So we're going to start first by just wiping off the oil. That's the easiest part. Now this has already been soldered once, so it is tinned. And it won't take much solder to make it come back together again like we want it. That cleaner will wash out all the oil and dirt and give me a good surface to work from. Using QD electronic cleaner, CRC. I got it at Harbor Freight because it was inexpensive there. I'm going to take these over the wire brush and clean them up real quick, and I'll be right back. Got that shined up nice. The end of the tube's all nice and shiny. Set those on a clean rag so that I don't get them dirty. And I'm going to put some flux on the end of it. And this is lead-free tinning flux. Why am I using lead-free tinning flux? Because it's what's open and it's almost gone, and this way I get to use up the last of it. And not really. I got enough for like 4 or 5 more jobs. But waste not, want not. It's the watchword here at Old Sneelock's Workshop. Pull that down just like that. Just need to have it seated fully into the cap there. Now I'm going to grip this very lightly in the jaws of my vise, just enough to hold it in place. I don't want to compress that tube. I'm using lead-based solder. It's acid core. 40% tin, 60% lead. And no, I'm not concerned that I'm going to cause irreparable damage to myself. I don't have to get it really hot, just enough to melt the solder. I'll take this rag and wipe off the excess. And that's that. I'll take this and let it sit to cool. It's not really hot, it's only about 400 or 500 degrees. But if you jiggle it or bump it and break the joint, it'll lose the bond between the two pieces of metal. So you want to be very careful with it until it cools. Now my oil can is repaired. It only took a few minutes, but those kind of jobs just kind of wait around till you have stuff ready. And while I had the torches out, I thought now's the time. So another project done here at Old Sneelock's workshop. Oil can's ready to go again, and I can put away my torches. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.